Hey guys, it's Henry here, Mowers and Blowers. Today I'm getting my entire heating system redone. Apparently I'm not going to really have a water tank or anything like that. So all in one system and stuff, you know, new technology if you want to call it that. You know, pretty big job, you know, it's going to take them all day. I got 3 guys coming with 2 trucks, you know. Pretty impressive. These guys are Ryan Anthony's heating service, and they do this every day of their lives. The guy Ryan Anthony, very professional guy, knows his stuff, and I got the lead technician here that's got 33 years of experience. That's what he does. Replaces entire systems, 1 a day, 5 days a week, 33 years. Incredible, right? It's been about 6 hours. Lots of work. Lots of work that I don't understand. Looks good. Apparently I don't need that water storage tank anymore because it has a 5-gallon per minute tank in there, I guess. I don't really understand it too much, but apparently this is the latest one. So this is Robert over here. He works for Ryan Anthony Heating, and today he just spent 6-7 hours replacing my entire heating system here. Him and his 2 guys there, Michael and Matt, they helped him out all day today. And so I'm a little confused. I mean, everything looks fantastic. It looks obviously brand new, you know, and I'm pretty excited. But I almost kind of want to understand what the hell all this stuff is. So, Robert, if you wouldn't mind explaining to my viewers here, why am I now missing that big tank over there? And what are the benefits of this model? If you could tell me what model this is and why this is what everybody's using these days.
This is the WBV-03 Peerless Boiler. One of our favorite boilers. I have them in my houses. I never have a problem with them. They're easy to service, quiet. The reason why you don't have that big tank anymore, one was rotted out, it had to go, and you don't have a big use for hot water. So we gave you a 6-gallon coil, which gives you 6 gallons a minute of hot water, which would be more than sufficient for you and your family.
6 gallons. So where is that located? Is that
right here?
So essentially, you're saying that there's a 6-gallon tank enclosed inside here?
Yes, it's called a coil.
And so there's an electrical coil that runs inside that?
It's just a copper coil.
Copper coil.
And the boiler water itself heats up that copper coil, which gives you hot water.
Gotcha. I saw a digital readout in there. What is that? What am I supposed to look for there, like in terms of maintenance and stuff? It's read 177 at one time. I don't know what that means.
It'll run between 160 and 180. During the summer, it'll probably only max out at 160. It may drift up to about 165, 170. That's just to make hot water. When you make it heat, it'll go up to 180.
As a homeowner like me, who's a layperson like me, who knows absolutely squat about any of this stuff, right? What do I got to do as a homeowner in terms of maintaining this? In other words, what can I do? Like, let's say it doesn't work one day. I don't see that reset switch that I used to have in the old one, you know?
The reset button now is on the yellow gun, and that's down here. If you come down, you find a red light on, push the button once. When it comes on and stays on, everything's okay. And that was a power surge, a flicker of electricity. If it comes on and shuts off in a minute or so, call us, there's something wrong. Don't press the button a second time until you speak to one of us on the phone.
Gotcha. Anything else I should know about this stuff over here? Because, frankly, if anything went wrong, let's say I didn't get any hot water one day and I said, hey, it could be just me touching a button or something like that. I mean, as a homeowner, that's it, right?
The red light would be on. We'll set the water temperature for about 125 to 130 going into your sink. You do that with the anti-spill valve, which we'll show you how to use. If there's ever a problem, like say you have a leak on a radiator, this valve here would be the valve to stop the water from feeding the boiler.
This one right here?
That takes the street water and shuts it off.
Gotcha.
Okay, let's say you have a busted hose or a pipe under the sink and it's a hot water pipe, this shuts the hot water off to the whole house.
Gotcha. And I saw you also opened up this hole a little bit. Obviously, this must be a bigger diameter pipe that goes in there?
It's the same diameter. We just neatened it up, got rid of all that sloppy cement that whoever, did it the last time. We cleaned it up here.
The fumes that go out of here, is that carbon monoxide that goes out of there?
Yes, and a little bit of fuel. You get a little smell, but not bad, on startups.
Gotcha. Before, I had these 3 electrical-looking junction boxes over here. You obviously cleaned that up and tied that into one simple one there?
Well, now you have your hydrostat does everything.
Hydrostat.
It controls the zone of heat.
Gotcha.
And it controls and maintains the temperature of the boiler.
Now, how long will this system last?
I've been putting them in for 30 years, and I still have boilers out there that are still running.
That's fantastic. And you said you have this exact boiler in your house.
I have the exact boiler. My mother has the exact boiler. My neighbors all have this is one of our favorite boilers. We love putting these in. They're real easy to clean. They're real easy to maintain. I haven't had any problems with them in 30 years.
I gotta tell you, Robert, a guy like you that has 33 years experience in this industry telling me that you have the same one in your house and all your family and friends and neighbors have the same one and that they've all lasted as long as you've been doing this gives me a great feeling that I made the right choice of contacting Ryan Anthony Heating for this job and a professional such as yourself. So I want to thank you guys very much for the help that you did today. And I'm sure my viewers would really be interested in something like this. And if not, you know, it's going to be out on YouTube. And maybe Ryan can get some more clients. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
I'm Michael with Ryan Anthony's Heating. Sometimes modern problems need modern solutions. And we're here to help you with that.
Hey guys, support my channel, buy a sticker. Also follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com. See you guys
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.